The Bird's Eye. Long, long ago, there was a kingdom named Hastinapur. King Dhritarashtra was the king of the kingdom. He and his wife Gandhari had 100 sons. Their sons were known as the Kauravas. King Dhritarashtra had a brother named Pandu. He and his wife Kunti had 5 sons. They were called Pandavas. The young princes were sent to study under the valuable guidance of a Kulguru, Guru Dronacharya. He was famous for his strict and disciplinarian nature. He wanted to take a test of the skills of the princes before beginning the education. At first, Guru Dronacharya decided to test their archery skills. The Kauravas and the Pandavas were very excited. Each of them had practiced hard and was confident of their success. They followed their Guru into the thick forest. The Guru came to a spot and raised his hand. The pupils knew he wanted them to stop there. They looked around eagerly, trying to see what their target could be. Guru Dronacharya pointed at a clay bird on a branch covered in green leaves. Dronacharya asked each of them to come one by one and take aim at the bird's eye. The eager pupils thought,
"Oh, what an easy target!"
As the first pupil took aim, Guru Dronacharya asked him to speak out what was visible to him.
"I see the forest, the trees, the leaves, the birds on the branches, and the clay bird."
The Guru asked him to step back and called out to the next pupil. As the second pupil took aim, he asked the same question. This time, another pupil said,
"I can see the trees, the leaves, the birds on the branches, and the clay bird."
Then came the third pupil, who said,
"I can see the leaves, the birds on the branch, and the clay bird."
And it went on till Arjuna came forward. Arjuna took aim and said,
"I see only the eye of the clay bird."
Overjoyed with his answer, Guru Dronacharya embraced him. Arjun took aim and shot the bird down.